if you are actually looking forward to start a blog, or you want to host your website or your agency website, and you actually have a low budget, or maybe you are trying to give it a trial and you don't actually want to spend much on setting up a website for your company, web agency, or your blog. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you different 5 hosting as they were that I actually see them as cheapest hosting you can actually use to host your website if you are trying to start from scratch as a blogger, or you're trying to host a website with a little traffic on a monthly basis or yearly basis. So these 5 hosting will definitely help you to figure out if you actually need to proceed on blogging or using website for your company, because you don't have to spend a lot on setting up a website for your company. So I'll be sharing with you the 5 websites, the 5 hosting website that you can actually use to host your website if you have a low budget. So the first one I'll be showing you is GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy.com charge £1 per month for your hosting, and with this option you'll be able to get one website with 100 gig storage, and unmetered bandwidth, free domain, and free for emails. So with one email you'll be able to get this feature. So, and of course you should have been in dollar, so I don't know why they changed that option. So but between, so I think this should not be more than $1, so maybe 1.20 or thereabout. So, and with this option you'll be able to get all these features, and I'm very sure you are trying to host a single website on your hosting, and 100 gig on a monthly basis is enough for you. I don't know, you might be trying to set up a website whereby you'll be uploading files, but between, I believe that you'll be able to manage the 100 gig storage on a monthly basis, which is 30 days. Yeah. So, and on meta bandwidth, of course, you'll be able to get a lot of visitors or traffic to your domain. So also this come with free domain, but I don't know if it's a .com domain or the exact domain extension. And also you'll be able to get 4 custom email, maybe info@mathhustle.com, contact@mathhustle.com, reach out at mathhustle.com, or contact us at mathhustle.com. So you can set up like 4 different emails to use. So that is that for GoDaddy.com. So the next one we'll be looking at is iOnox. I actually don't know how I can actually pronounce this, but then, so that is just the hosting name. So, and doing my research, I noticed that they are kind of like neon, and then you can actually trust them because I have read different reviews from them, so I can give them a trial. So they charge $1 for web hosting, and this is what you get with $1 web hosting. So get domain first year free, so scalable performance, and then free 24/7 support. So let's try and click to see the plan and see what's actually included. So yeah, it's free domain, free wildcard SSL certificates. So I guess you know what they call XXL. So this is just a certificate to secure your domain. As you can see, this padlock here. So that is what they call XXL certificate. So same thing goes to 24/7 support. So you see. So if you are trying to do a classic hosting or WordPress, so you can choose between, as you can see here, this is 0.50 cents per month. So if you are trying to go for a year, then you can see, then after a year your hosting might increase to this particular package. So, and as you can see this one as well. So then scrolling down, you see what's included. So this one says that one unlimited websites, unlimited storage, not sure if that's correct, unlimited database, professional email included, which is custom email, then one domain included, like I said earlier on. So then enhanced CPU and memory resources. So that is that for iOnox hosting. So you can check them out and try to give them a trial, but then after filling all the 5 hosting, cheaper 5 hosting, so you can decide on the one you actually want to go or you want to give a trial. So I'll move on to the third one, which is DreamHost. So DreamHost charge $1.99 per month. Yeah, I actually include this DreamHost because I've done a review about DreamHost before, so that's why I included the hosting to this video. So I think they are trusted, and you can also give them a trial if you are looking how to use a standard hosting that you believe that you have enough guarantee on them. So, and these are the things you might get with this plan. So let's try to see all the plan if you want to, but checking on the monthly, so you see here you have $1.99 per month. So no commitment or contract, so you can cancel anytime you want. So one website, you can buy a .com domain with it. So unlimited traffic as well. Then WordPress pre-installed, so you can do that for yourself. Fast SSD storage, free XSS certificate, add email as low as 1.67 per month. So I guess they charge for custom email if you want to add a custom email. So like I said earlier, maybe info@matters.com, so they are charging for custom email. So, and you can increase the package to 1 year, then you get extra 1 year bonus. So that is for the shared starter package on DreamHost. So this is the third one we'll be reviewing on cheapest hosting under $1. So maybe that is not actually under $1 though. So but then I guess it's worth doing or adding DreamHost to the list. So moving on to the next is Interserver. So I've been seeing this host for a while, so I guess I should just add it to this list. So it said 90% of special promotion standard web hosting and $1 for 3 months. That's insane, and this is different from all the other theory we have looking at so far. So this is 3 months, $1 for 3 months. So this particular page is a special offer page. So, and you can just look into it, and if you think you actually want to go into this, so you can just buy from Interserver. So I believe this actually makes sense. So you can just click on this buy now to see the the package. So the request you to input the domain name you want to proceed with. Then after that, if you have a website already, so you can actually choose on this option. If you have a domain already, you can choose on this option. Then you proceed on to the next one. So, and if I actually want to give a trial on blogging, so I'll rather go for this. And don't forget, I said I'm just reviewing all these websites, no paid ads or anything. So just reviewing them on my own to share with you if you actually want to start out something. So that is that for Interserver. So the next one will be mpage.com, ipage.com, sorry. So this is ipage.com, and they charge $1.99 per month, just like DreamHost. And this is all you get for this cost. So everything you need to get online. So create your dream website, your dream site with an intuitive site builder and flexible web hosting at a price you will love. So I think that makes sense. So free domain for a year, XXS certificate included, unlimited bandwidth, 24/7 support, almost 100 uptime. Maybe that's support as well, or how you can rely on them that they're actually the right option for you. So checking on they are been in the system since 1998. That's long, and they will have a lot of experience. So that is that for iPage hosting website. So if you want to give them a try as well, so you can actually check them out and see if they worth it. So this will be the number 4 cheap web hosting under $1. So the last one I'll be checking, I'm sorry, this will be the 5th one, sorry. So I would like to add Hostinga, so 8. So this is quite out of it, but just like a bonus to the video. So if you want to give Hostinga a trial, so I think you can actually check them out as well and see if you want to proceed with them or not. So they charge $2.99 per month. So, and this is what you get with this package. So you can host 100 websites, so 100 gig XXD storage, 1 gig RAM, 1 CPU cores, unlimited bandwidth, free XXL, which it actually costs $11.95 value. So free domain, this also costs $9.99, but you are getting everything for $2.99 with weekly backup. So as you can see here, this is weekly backup. So they will back all your websites and your files up every week. So I just add this option to it if you actually want to give them a trial. So the first one is GoDaddy, the second one is iOnox.com, and the third one is DreamHost. The fourth one is Interserver. Then the fifth one is iPageHosting.com. Then the last one is Hostinga. So if you want to get started as a blogger or agency or a company, you can look out to any of these 6 hosting and give them or give one of them a trial to see if you really want to go with them. And of course, you can transfer your hosting when you don't like something about them, so you can transfer your hosting from one hosting to another. So that is that for the cheapest hosting under $1. So if you have any question regarding the video or regarding any website included in this video, can drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.